of you. Happy Teachers Day to everyone. Those who are teachers and even all parents are also teachers only for your children. So happy Teachers Day to everyone. Okay. Today we are going to see some simple antique relief art. Okay. For that I have given all the materials, like any board you can take. You can take anything like cardboard or MDF board or canvas board, whatever board you want. You can use that. I am Savita Manoj, peripheral expert tutor. Today I am going to deal with simple antique relief art. Okay. For that, I've asked you to have plaster of Paris and any old statues or any ideals, whichever you want, you can have. These types of ideals I've taken, like which is not useful, like we are not going to use, means even in invitations you get such ideals and all. Even that you can use, or other than that, if you want anything like not only the god statue or anything, you need to use any type of like flowers or anything which is solid, no, you can use for this art. Just pasting it on it using the molded, like we'll be using molded clay, and the gold dust we'll be using an acrylic color. With that, other acrylic colors like neon colors or sparkle colors or pearl colors, anything can be taken. Shall we start with the work? See, this is the board I'm going to use. For that, now we are going to take like, I've added plaster of Paris, and with that we are going to use little of Fevicol, and with water we are going to mix it. Like 2 or 3 teaspoons I've taken powder, and 1 to 2 teaspoon of Fevicol is enough just for sticking only, and we are going to do the relief art over this. For that you need to take little water and add to it, add little water, just mix it to the consistency like it is sticky. Okay, it can be little more watery even, no problem, it will dry fast. Mix it together. Just apply on the board. The application can be either like dabbing or like pouring and pulling it up. Any way it can be done. See, either like pouring it like this, put it like this, and make, you can just dab it like that, so that you will have eruptions. Just for a few minutes, if you leave even, you'll get a rough texture over. Okay, like that also we can do it. There is no proper consistency like that and all, nothing is there. Like easily you can make this art, nothing is going to go wrong and all. Just apply. I'm going to apply the too much of plaster of Paris or Fevicol, anything is not required. Just it should be enough for the application, that's all. It need not be so thick and all. Just apply it before it dries. Yeah, that's all. I've applied the thing. Like whatever's remaining also, I'm just pouring it. And it is not going to be like waste and all. Like we can give the impression in that. Before it dries, you need to give this impression and give. I'm just doing it with my hands, okay? Even knives can be used. Palette knife or anything like this can be used for pulling it and making it to have some rough textures, okay? In the corners, you can make it like that. However you want, you can do it. It is totally only your wish, like dapping method and all, like however you want, you can do it. Few minutes only, it will dry very fast. You can have rough texture. You can just show it like this. Any way, if we want, we can do it. Whatever thing is remaining and all, you just pour it over and just pull it out and keep. After it dies too much and all, if we do anything, it may peel and come. So be careful with that also. Just make it like this. So we have created a texture effect in the board. Very simple texture effect we have given. Okay, this is very fast and very simple effect what we have made. That's all. Now it is dried actually. Few minutes. Till this board dries for few minutes, we can take the idol or the statue, whatever we want. Anything like this you can choose, which is not actually useful at home. Like you can use those things. I'm taking it and I'm going to apply on this black color. Okay. Use any flat brush and just apply black color over it. Just apply black color. You can even use any wooden or any type of statues you can use. Backside, it is not necessary to use that. Top alone I have given like this, okay? Then wash the brush nicely. Wipe it and take a dry brush. You can take a dry brush, and when the thing is wet itself, you can use either gold dust or copper dust. Copper dust, it is nowadays, it is not available. And so I'm using gold dust. Just make a very light dabbing over it. So now we have got some metallic effect. See how it is? Just by dabbing very lightly, you can dab it. It is not necessary that everywhere it should be touched. Okay. Here we are just dabbing it only. Dabbing in the sense you need not touch the thing. You have the dust in the dry brush. Hold it like this. Just dab it like that on the brush. So whatever thing falls on it, because it is wet, it will get it will stick to it. Okay. This let it dry. Then we can go for the board itself. I'm allowing it to dry as such. We need to stick this on the board, okay? This we are going to stick it over here, okay? For that, it is better to use molded clay, okay? I'm taking molded clay. Molded clay, it has two parts in it, this type of clay. This is Fevicryl Company's molded clay. And you have two parts in it. One is hardener and the other one is resin base. Both we need to mix it to equal like color. Like when you mix, no, like it will come to a white shade of color. While mixing, if you want, you can touch powder so that it doesn't stick to your hand. You can use any type of powder like talcum powder or plaster of Paris or chalk powder. Whatever powder is available with you, you can use it. Since we are having plaster of Paris with us now, I'm taking only that. You need to mix it nicely so that just you should not roll like this because it will not come properly. It will not get mixed properly. And so we are mixing it like this, putting it inside and outside. You need to mix. If you do the mixing like that, then you'll have a even color. If you have any gray color lines or anything like that, then it is an indication that it is not mixed well. Now this is a same color it is, isn't it? Now I'm taking a part of the clay, very little part of the clay, just make it into a thread-like thing. Take the thing which is painted, the idol which we have taken, you just take it and paste it at the back. Keep it at the back. Few places you just place it at the back. Here you just place it. Very little is enough. It need not protrude and come out and all. In the raised portion only we are pasting it, okay? If the idol has anything like holes or anything, you need not put in those places and all. In raised part, you just paste it. This without disturbing, I'm just leaving it in the center, okay? In the center, I'm just pasting it. Very lightly when we keep it, it is going to stick nicely, okay? If you want, if you are confident, like you can do it like this, or if you think that it may come out, then you can use little Fevicol, over that you can paste it. So you can do like this, okay? Now when it is halfway wet, no, like you can clean the corners of the board. You can just, while by just touching itself, it will fall off, then it will be neat work. After this, we are going to do the coloring part. Before doing coloring, I wanted a small structure like thing here, like Prabhavali like thing we need to have. Okay, I wanted it to be done. If you want, you can do that, or you can put some lamp shades like this from up to here. Like you can make one small lamp like thing even, and you can stick it. I'll do that lamp thing now. Then I'll do one small Prabhavali like thing, or some, we can tell it as mala even, like thin lines I'm making. Or like bell is hanging, anything you can do it. It is totally your wish only, however you want, you can do it. The thing what we are doing, it should be related to the picture. On this, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give impressions. You can apply little glue even and then paste it. For you, after the board is dried, even you can do it, because when the board is dried, it will be easy for it to stick nicely. Okay. You can use either Fevicol or A+, or any type of glue can be used. Apply very little of it so that it sticks nicely. Since the board is not dried, only I'm using Fevicol. Otherwise, we can use just like that, we can stick it. So that while giving impressions, it will be easy for us. Since the board is not dried, no, it is little bit difficult to give the impressions. Yeah. After this, here like a lamp I'm going to make. That can be made like a real lamp even if you want. like with like 3D effects you can give over this. See like this how I have made. You can just see one small circle I am taking. Just press it in the middle with your fingers. You just press it in the middle. Take it out like this. Like pinching it, you take it out. Then you'll have a thing like this. Okay. That we are going to make it, just place it in an erect way so that it looks like a real lamp over it. Okay. And you should be very careful that you don't give too much of clay work on this, because the board is thin. A molded clay, it will become heavy after it dries. Okay. Because of that we need to do it in such a way that it is done properly. If you want, the same type of thing can be kept over this part also. Actually, I placed the thing little bit cross. I'm making it in the center. Before it dries, we can change the place, but after drying, it is really hard thing to do it. So check all those things first itself. Then again, the same, like the same distance you have to leave this side also and just place it here. So I'm going to apply glue here where I wanted the sting to hang from top. Very lightly I've applied glue, and on that I'm going to keep a string like thing, and you give impression over that also. Just keep over that glue what we have applied, and see that you are stopping it only correctly near to that place. Extra thing you can just cut it and take it off. And now here also we are going to do the impression. Give impressions. Very simple. Easily we can make the antique effect. Since the board is wet, no, it is little bit difficult. Otherwise, on the board you can apply glue even, and you can pour the texture medium. Okay. The same size of the clay you have to take. Make it into a ball. Just press it with your fingertip. Use powder so that it doesn't stick to your finger. Just press it like this. While taking it out, take it like pinching. So you will have automatically a small lamp-like thing you will get. And just place it over here like this. Okay. See that both are looking same, and you can adjust it. The size can be adjusted because the clay is not dry. It is very easy for us to adjust. It should be kept erect like this. Perpendicular it should be to the board. Only then it will look like lamp. So very cute lamps we have made. After that, what I'm going to do is here I'm going to make like it can look like Prabhavali, or it can be like a mala or something like that. Okay. The rest of the clay I have not used the whole pack and all. I have used only quarter of the pack. Okay. So very little clay is enough for this work. I'm making a thick rope like thing. Somewhat thick rope like thing I'm making. And I wanted to paste it over here like this. This part I'm going to just paste it. Okay, just I'm seeing whether it is correct or not. Yeah, till here alone I wanted it to be pasted. Okay, for that I'm applying little glue. Very little glue is enough. This is only for support, okay? Just place it over like this and just flatten it. Very lightly you flatten it. It need not be so flat and all. You just flatten it like this. Here you can give impressions like whichever impression you want you can give. First I'm going to give one circular impressions in one side, and the other side I'm going to make one lines only. Can you all see the part what I have done? Impression should be given very softly. Don't give your force and all. Then it might come out with the thing what we are giving the impressions itself. See that you are doing it very slowly and neatly. If you want, you can apply little powder over this part even, and you can do so that it comes nicely. The impression tool, it is totally your choice only. You can give whichever impression you want. Yeah, I have given one side, I have given the impression. Then other side, I'm giving like with the tip of the refill, I'm giving the impression. Okay, so that you will get somewhat different, like a pointed line you will get. Or just like that, you can prick and go. That is also an easy thing. Children, if you can't do this, then you can do like pricking. Pricking is very easy thing, technique. If you want this dusting work, you can do later even, but because of the time factor, I have done it earlier itself. Since this board has to dry, I wanted to do this earlier itself. If you want, you can do the board, allow it to dry nicely, then stick the idle. After that, sticking the idle here, keeping it here itself, you can do the black coloring, and then you can do the gold dusting over it. Because of the time factor only, I am doing it in this way. Till the board dries, I thought I can do and show you this. See, if your connection gets cut, you just come inside with the same link, okay? You can come in the same link itself. So now our work is over. We can start giving coloring for this part, okay? For coloring, no, like we are going to give for this also black color. For this also we are going to give black color. With that, on that also we are going to give the gold dust and all. And here outside the thing, like we are going to give multicolors, okay? Center alone it is going to be in black, and the other outside part fully it is going to be in multicolor, dazzling colors, any colors you can give, okay? So black color, I am taking black acrylic, touch only little water and try to color this area fully with black, okay? Only then this idol will be bright and highlighted. So see that you're doing it properly. My board, it is not at dried. So for you people, when you are doing it, see that it is dried and then you do the coloring. Unevenly you can stop over this place, or you can have some shape. Okay, I am doing it in this shape. So till that place it is going to be black. Touch little water inside inside the gap and all, it has to go, no, the color has to go inside the water and all, gaps, and also touch little water and do it. it will be better. In between the gaps and all, if you want, you can use pointed brushes even. Only for the idol, I'm giving this gold color, okay? Not on these places. So black color, it should be a pure black only, so that the idol is visible nicely. Touch acrylic color nicely and then do the coloring. Sides and all, it has to be kept in a raised way, okay? So according to that, you have to put the molded inside. Even statues like that also you can use it. One of my board here I've completed. You can just have a look at this even. Here I've used copper, okay? On black I have used copper, and these three sparkling colors I have used, yellow, green and blue. I have merged the colors. If you want, you can do like that. I wanted everyone to submit the article, okay? It is such a nice art, antique art. It is good to for presenting or gifting and all. It is really a nice thing. They will feel auspicious actually. Yeah, till here I have done with black, okay? Randomly you can color it like whichever color we want, we can use it. If we allow the color to dry, then it will be easy for us to. This portion also I am going to do in the same way, like I am going to do with black, okay? This part also I am going to do with black only. All the molded places fully I am going to use only black acrylic color. See that and all we are doing it properly. Since it is not dried, it is difficult for me to color, but you take time and allow it to dry and then do the coloring. For this part also, this part also, I'm going to use the gold dust. Gold dust, it is such a nice product that it is useful for so many things. To give the metallic effect and all, it is really a good thing. Okay, here for this lamp portion also, I am just doing it. Since it is not dried, it is moving. If it is dried, it will be staying in one place. It will be easy for you to color. Same way, both the sides I am doing it, okay? While coloring, see to that you are looking into all the sides and doing it. Okay, otherwise we may miss some of the places to color. So after this, yeah. Now when it is wet itself, we need to give the dabbing part. Okay, gold dust we have to dab. For that, I'm going to take a dry brush. Take a dry brush. Just dab it very slowly. You should not touch actually. Just dab it very slowly on the places of molded. Okay? It need not be uniform too. It can be here and there, however it is. So it will be nice only. Okay? Just, I am not touching the color board actually. I'm just doing it very slightly, dabbing my brush. Okay, I'm not touching that place at all. Very little of powder is enough for this. Now what we are going to do is coloring for the background. Main work is completed actually now. We are going for the coloring of the background. Background color, I feel like giving pink initially, then going for some green or something like that. Okay. Unexpected mixing of colors. Okay. Whatever color we want, we can give. I'm taking neon color and just make the so that it looks bright. Okay. The color actually it is dried. Okay. Neon color, it is so bright and vibrant that whatever work we are using, it looks really good. It is nice to work with this neon colors. Touch little water and apply the color so that it spreads evenly. Since because the thing is ideal, what I have kept is Lakshmi, I thought I can use pink color. Okay. Application of color should be done smoothly so that the texture, we don't spoil the texture effect. If the connection gets cut, we just join again with the same link. Okay. Top portion also I'm going to give pink only. You give enough time and then do the coloring. Okay. Only after drying it has to be done. But myself, I'm doing it for your sake. Just for teaching only, I'm doing it like this. Okay. Just a minute more to leave. Coloring part totally, it is your wish only. If you want, you can give any other color even. The outermost thing I'm going to do with you can see like blue or green or anything we can use. This board, it is not going to be heavy and all. We have used very little of molded clay. Okay. Sorry. Just apply the color wherever it is necessary. I'm going to do it one more, little more area. I'm going to do it with this color. Even like anything like flowers or fruits, all those things, if we keep like this also, it will look nice only. Like the metallic flowers and fruits, we have kept it look. So it will look very beautiful, very like antique it will be. And it will have a fancy effect. Okay. Something very new it will be. Not that only God ideals and all has to be done. It can be anything. With this, I think I can give green. Okay, neon green I'm giving. Pink goes very well with blue and green and all. Okay. Sorry, I washed. These neon colors, they are light colors. Okay. So it is better to wash the brush nicely, wipe it and take. See, I'm just merging it with pink, okay? So that you get something like orange. Very lightly and only I'm doing the mixing part. And this color being very vibrant, it will look good. That's all. Touch little water and apply so that it will be spreading evenly and nicely. Being Teachers Day, I feel happy to teach you all. Chance for me to teach even on Saturday. If you want 2 or 3 colors can be added. If you want yellow can be added to it. Or blue can be added. It is totally your wish, like however you want, you can do it. The board actually it will be vibrant with the neon color and with antique finish in the center. Totally different type of art, okay? And the texture effect at the back. Something very new. Normally they do only relief art without any antique work or anything, or antique separately they'll be doing neon colors, including in the antique work and all. It is like totally no one do that, but this is the new thing what I have tried. The rough texture at the back also should be seen. Now our board is completed. On this, now it is completed. Okay. Very easily we have made the antique, modern antique painting. Okay. Very simple and we have made it. Any doubts?